We're currently in collaboration with Novo Nordisk. We're signing up patients for one of their clinical trials. You won't be surprised to hear that this involves some financial benefit to me as the facilitator. There's no financial benefit to the patient, but what we have found and the way in which we sell it to the patient is that they are, without question, treated very well on these trials. They are given greater insight into their condition. They are ultimately given access to hopefully better and more exclusive treatments. There's a win for pharma industry. There's a win for us as a pharmacy business, and there's a win for the patient as well. And we've had quite a lot of success with that in recent months.
Developed a community diabetes service about 4 years ago now in NHiS Rushcliffe, but actually what stimulated that was somebody from a pharmaceutical company, in fact someone from Takeda. This person from Takeda had done some analysis of the local data around diabetes and planned admissions to hospital and QOF performance by practice and prescribing habits practice by practice, and sort of triangulated this data and shown this data to our commissioning manager who looked after long-term conditions. Said there's some quite interesting variations in quality and rates of unplanned admissions across your practices, which might be worth exploring. We looked at the data, set up a working group, and 6 months later we had a community-based service rather than a hospital-based service, a LES in place for the GP practices to sign up to, a community diabetes specialist nurse working in the communities, and now we've managed to repatriate pretty much all of our patients who were in follow-up outpatients back into the community service, and our outcomes are a lot better, very much lower unplanned admissions to hospital and better HbA1c levels achieved in QOF, not just hitting the money target, but actually hitting about 90% of patients at 7.5 levels. Takeda were the company that kicked this off, but actually the company that's kind of kept it going is Novo Nordisk, because they provide the training for the practice nurses and for the GPs, and it's very much kind of proper joint working with industry, or partnership working I should describe it as, because we've worked with different companies at different stages of that project.